This is the elevator at 1031 West Findley Drive in Wilkinsburg, Pennsylvania. It's an old vintage Hadfield, probably from the 60s, with circle armor fixtures. This door is ridiculously slow and squeaky. Ridiculously slow. I think it needs a new door opener, and the door does not open all the way. Let's go to here. Basement. Interior down. Any day now. Here, basement. Up to 3. Interior up. Here at 3. This thing seems like it's terribly maintained. Not cosmetically, but mechanically. Cosmetically, it's okay. Back down the ground. Yeah, this thing is cosmetically in terrible, mechanically in terrible condition. The hydraulics sound really bad. That motor sounds like it's about to give up. This needs a new door operator and a new motor. Basic fake, and then also brighter lighting or new lighting, and then new light panels. Then it will be a very nice elevator. It just needs some love. That's a basic 60s fake ribbon cabrio preference certificate. It's definitely faster going down. And I'm pretty sure the elevator.
Hello.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.